At last, we meet for the first time, for the last time. Have you ever been traveling through space at ludicrous speed and lost all power? Well, fasten your seatbelts and prepare yourself for this video on how to replace your power supply. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your HT431 full height video, please click the link in the description. Today we're going to show you how to replace the power supply in your Hayward HT431 full height turnstile. As always, we'll need to turn off the power to the turnstile, and in this case, it would be the incoming facility power. With that verified that it is off, you'll see a green LED that is illuminated or not illuminated. Illuminated is presence of power. Not illuminated means it's not. It's always safe to take out a meter and verify that there is no power. The lack of power, you can remove your terminals of line, neutral, and ground. This is really simple, but from an orientation standpoint, if you need to take a picture of your orientation, your black and your red wire, feel free to take a picture. With those wires removed, there are two Allen bolts on the bottom side of this plate that is a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. It's very easy to loosen those bolts and remove. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to take this off and flip it all over so we can see exactly what we're doing. We're going to start by disconnecting our solenoids here and here. We're going to remove the micro Schwartz activator. You're also going to want to make note of what position that was in. And then next are going to be these two bolts. With those removed, we'll have very easy access to the underside of this plate, revealing our two 2.5 millimeter Allen bolts. With those removed, we have our old power supply. We'll take out our new power supply, and installation is reverse. So match your orientation and replace your two bolts. Once you get it lined up, go ahead and leave one loose so that you can go ahead and line the second one up. With those secure, go ahead and reinstall your top plate. Reinstall your micro switch Schwartz activator. Again, leaving a gap between the plate and the same orientation that it was taken off. Reconnect your solenoids. Reconnect your incoming power. Again, making sure that it's off. You have line, neutral, and ground. Once everything is connected, we're ready to power on and test for proper operation. There you go, say it with me, properation. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave those in the comments below and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning into the Turnstile, guys. We'll see you in another galaxy.